Hi, my name is Matt Burke. I'm host of the Magicminds podcast, stories that have the power to inspire. I hope that I can inspire you to mind your little self. What does that mean? Let me explain. Since 2008, I embarked on a personal development plan. I returned to college after 20 something years. I had many failures in my life. Failure in my leaving cert, failure in relationships, failure in work, failure in friendships. So I decided that I was going to turn my life around, and I returned to Inchicore College in 2008. I done personal training, I done leisure management. I went on done a sports science and health degree in Tala. I got a job in a national rehabilitation hospital where I work with adults with acquired brain injury. My education didn't stop there. I done cognitive rehabilitation training. I've done a level 8 in leadership and transformation management. I've done many train the trainer courses for suicide prevention, open disclosure. I've done a training needs analysis, training design to design programs. While I was doing all that education, it didn't give me much chance to avoid my problems that I had from a childhood, which I covered up and masked with drinking, drugs, and negative behaviour that impacted on my mental health and my body. I decided to build a program called Mind Your Little Self, because all the years when I had difficulty and avoided drinking drugs, I discovered that there was a little child in me that needed to be minded. That might not be you, but when you're scared or vulnerable or nervous, we feel small or we feel like a little child, and that gave me the idea to build this program called Mind Your Little Self. I work in the national rehab, so I see firsthand the importance that people put on aesthetics, what we sound like and what we look like, but that doesn't yield the best results. And it was only in the last 4 years that I realised through my own experience. So I decided to flip around. I worked all my life on my body, going to gym, training, and that didn't bring me the best results. My results came from working mind, soul and body. The work that I do with my psychotherapist for the last 8 years helped work on my mind. Then I worked on my soul through my mindfulness, my meditation, my love and kindness. And then I participate in training, the training that I love. So I designed a module called Mind Your Little Self that focuses on mind, soul and body. This course will give you the skills, the knowledge, the confidence, actions to mind your little self. This will empower you as a leader to mind your little self. So if you'd like to know more about this, send us an email at matt@magicminds.ie or head over to magicminds.ie, our website, where you'll find more information. And also there's lots of information about the interviews that we've embarked on. We've 70 plus interviews. That's another part of education that I have gained in this last 12 years. As always, mind your little self. Take care. Bye bye.